All right, guys, welcome to Lincoln Space once again. So this is the Rebor airdrop. So watch the video to the end so that you won't miss a single step on how to get started and farm the Rebor airdrop. So let's get started. Welcome to Rebor. Get Rebor. Your journey to earning REB starts here. So let's go. Maximize your crypto gain with Rebor. Let's go. Okay, we have a gift for you. Here is your REB coin. So once you launch the app, the link is in the comment section and description of this video. Once you load the app, you will get $6,930 of REB tokens. So let's get started. So this is how this Rebor airdrop works. You actually need stars to farm this airdrop. So once you launch the app, then you click on Start Staking. So once you click on Start Staking, you have to pay 149 stars. As you can see, this is a lifetime access. It's a one-time payment. You just have to pay it once and for all. So let's continue. Once you click on Get Access, make sure you deposit 149 Telegram stars. That's approximately 150 stars. So once you click on Get Access, it will automatically prompt you to pay the 149 stars, as you can see. Confirm to pay 149 stars. Mint access granted, as you can see, successfully granted the mint access. Already staking. Let's go ahead. So I have successfully activated my staking with 149 stars. So let's go ahead and claim reward. Minimum 0.1 earned REB from mining required to claim. Okay, you see, before I claim my earned REB from my stake, I will have to mine minimum of $0.1 REB. As you can see, the payment of 149 stars is a lifetime payment. The payment is a once and for all payment which is used to activate your stake, mining. You do not pay twice or multiple times, just pay it once and for all. So once you head back to the home page, you are going to see that the airdrop time is remaining 21 days, according to their white paper. I've checked their airdrop. They said that airdrop will be taking place on March 23rd. As you can see here, the airdrop will take place on March 23rd. And the timer has already started 21 days, 3 hours, 20 minutes remaining. So head over to task, perform all tasks and earn REB token. So let's head over to the task section. So this is daily checking once you log in every day. You claim your daily checking, connect Ton wallet, you click on it, then your Ton keeper. So if you find this video helpful, just don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell, share the video. So click on connect. Then yeah, our wallets have been connected. So you click on claim the reward for connecting your wallet. Wallet connected. So make a Ton transaction. So if you have Ton in your wallet, you can go ahead and make a Ton transaction to receive $20,000 REB. So let's see how much Ton is required for the transaction. As you can see, you need 0.6 Ton. So I don't have up to that amount. Head over to the next task, which unlock your staking features, which we have already done previously by paying the 149 Telegram stars. So go ahead and claim the reward for unlocking your staking features. The next task say, select your exchange, and it requires to complete the Make Ton transaction task first. So as you can see, before you claim this, you have to make this Ton transaction of 0.6 Ton. Make sure you perform all these tasks. Let's go ahead to the net task that says, get verify batch. It also requires to make the Ton transaction first. These two tasks requires us to make the Ton transaction before we can claim. That's it. Next task here is follow Tony Rice on X. Tony Rice has funded the Rebel airdrop with $2 million for their airdrop. Ape in immediately you see this video cause the airdrop timer has already started. Let's go back to staking, which I've already started staking. As you can see my balance, $23,000 already staking, so you can also earn by referring your friends. Click the referral link and refer your friends. You can also drop your referral link in the comments section of this video so others can join through your link. Don't forget to subscribe, share the video, and hit the notification bell for more crypto updates. As you can see, my balance already showing here, so make sure you join this airdrop before the airdrop timer ends. So let's view the Rebor airdrop roadmap. So this is their roadmap. 1. Foundation Phase Quarter 1 2025 2. Telegram Mini App. Quarter 1 2025 3. REB airdrop and pre-sale happening in Quarter 1 2025, according to their roadmap. The Rebo airdrop is supposed to happen in Quarter 1 and the TGE in Quarter 2. As you can see, quarter 2, centralized exchange and decentralized exchange listing will be happening in quarter 2. Pre-market in quarter 2 too. You can find the link to the Rebor airdrop in the description of this video and in the comments section to get started. Also join my community on WhatsApp and Telegram for more crypto update. See you on the next one.